Hello to everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to make a beautiful rose flower from crepe paper. This rose is a perfect gift for any occasion because it contains a small secret gift inside of it. It's like a gift inside a gift. For the flower you will need 2 colors of crepe paper. The main color is the color of the flower. I usually choose red tints. And the second color is the color for the base of the flower. I usually choose green tints for that. The next stage is cutting out the pieces of paper. All the measurements are given. The flower will contain 3 different varieties of petals and one middle part of it where the secret gift will be hidden. Then you need to cut out the petals. This process is similar for every variety. The only difference in these 3 varieties will be in the way you are going to stretch and form them. Now all the 3 varieties of petals are ready and we are starting with the formation of the middle of the flower with the secret gift. I chose a candy for this purpose, but it can be any small gift that will fit in the middle. Don't forget to fix the petals additionally with a thread. As the practice shows, the glue doesn't always hold all the petals, especially when we're talking about having this beautiful flower decorating your home for long. Now we're switching to the next phase, which is forming the base of the flower. Don't forget to form the leaves for the rose for a more natural look, and covering the stick on which the flower was based with the same green color. I'm forming the base of the flower with the cardboard that I have in plenty. And now decorating the base with additional leaves for the rose. And now fixing the rose flower into the base. I use foam for this purpose. And don't forget to check the length of the stick. The flower should sit rather low in the base. Also adding a bit of small decorative details for the final touch. And this unique and gorgeous gift is ready. Thank you for watching. I would appreciate your response in any way, whether it's a like or a comment. Stay tuned for more interesting and creative works. Bye bye, take care.